Alright guys, today we are working on the Mamalona, and today we will be installing a double-din stereo. As you can see here, we're going to get rid of this ugly ass stereo. I will also be installing some new Rockford speakers for the two doors, just to get everything just upgraded now. These are used, so hopefully they work, but I got 4, 2 should be good. Taking off the stock stereo should be super easy. Just tilt your steering wheel down, put your car in neutral just so it won't be in the way, and then you could literally just pull this off with your hands. Literally just trim. Sorry, it's blurry. It's kind of hard to focus with this camera, but yeah, super easy and just like that. Then to take off the stock stereo, super easy. There's two like pin style things you just push down. This one goes down and then this one goes down. You just push those at the same time and then it should just pull out. And just like that, stereo is off. Literally just slide it out. Then it has 2 connections, the stereo harness and the antenna. So here's a double din I will be using. I run this same one on my Lexus Nevo. I love it. It's nice, simple, Apple CarPlay, everything you need. This is the little harness, stereo harness I will be using. I also got this Denali cluster. I'm gonna try out, see if I like it. The only thing I am missing is the brackets to mount up the stereo. So this is the stereo harness, and this is the harness adapter I'm gonna use for my truck. And you pretty much just have to connect these. These things are pretty much color coded. They all match the color, so you can't really mess this up. Also too, they're labeled here, like the yellow is battery. If you go here, it says yellow battery, so I mean you could just go based off here as well if yours aren't labeled or anything. But yeah, pretty simple. And there she goes. I was gonna time lapse this, but this took me more time than it should have. But yeah, it's pretty much good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and test this out, and if it's all good, I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap this up in some electrical tape. And there's some wires that I did not need, so you just tape it up. Just like that, she is ready to go. The only thing I am missing is the brackets to slide into my application, but I don't have any. I'm gonna see if I get some locally. If not, I'm just gonna have to order some. So I got it connected. Everything looks like it's working good as it should. It connected to my phone. Everything's playing. We are good to go. We just need to button that up real quick and just slide it in there. So my stereo is pretty much good to go. I just need to get the brackets to just slide it in there. I'm gonna see if I get some locally. If not, I'm gonna have to order some. But for now, I'm gonna go ahead and change out these door speakers because these are ass. Well, let's go ahead and get this door panel off. Super kind of easy. There's like a screw right here, and then there's like one in the bottom, and then you could just pull this thing off and pull this thing off as well, and then it should just pop up. We got the door panel off. Now we just got to remove our speaker, which you just pull this tab down all the way, and then just slides out just like that. Then you can just disconnect it right there. So I did go ahead and get a little ahead of myself. I already got the speaker mounted and wired in. I did go ahead and took off the bracket off the OEM speaker, and I adapted it to my new speaker, as you can see right there. It's not the best, but hey, if it works, it works, right? But yeah, I already got that one wired in, ready to go. I actually need to put the door panel back on, and it's good to go. door panel is good to go. I did go ahead and add this light that I bought like months ago. I've just had in perfect time to install it right here. Look at the difference right there. Alright, so passenger side is good to go. Time to pull this one off and start this one. So I pretty much ended up using the stock brackets from the speakers, and they came off pretty easy, honestly. I just used a pry tool and I just got in there. And then it just popped off just like that. And what I basically did is I just got my bracket and my speaker. I just put the speaker inside right here, just like that. And I just tapped three screws in and it's good to go. And just like that, I got my 3 screws on the bracket and I got my terminals ready. I'm just gonna cut the harness over here. I already went ahead and cut the door speaker harness already right here. And just gonna adapt those two and it should be good to go. Okay, so my driver speaker is pretty much good to go as well. So just put the door panel back on and it should be good to go. Driver speaker is on and good, and look at my LED light. That's pretty cool. It's nice and bright in the night. But speaker's good to go. I just got my mounting kit for my stereo, so I'm gonna slap this on real quick and then this whole thing should be complete. So I got this fully in, fully secure, got it all plugged in. I routed my wire over here to the glove box, that way it's a little out of the way. But yeah, look at, there you go. So they always recommend you to get like a whole dash kit, and it comes with like a whole bezel and a bunch of stuff. But that thing's like $200-300, and like I was like, man, why can't I just use my stock bezel? Like it looks like it'll fit just fine, and look, it did fit just fine. I mean, there's little gaps in the corners, but I mean, it's honestly not that bad. Maybe the other one has better fitment, but hey, for saving some money, I do not mind this. Well, there's my stereo. Pretty much sums it all up with the speakers as well. I'm probably gonna upgrade those speakers as well on the corners. Maybe the tweeters as well. I think there's some tweeters that go on the door right there. And I also want to get a center console subwoofer box. That would be pretty cool as well, just for that extra bass. But all that stuff will be for another day, since this is all I got for now. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video and stay tuned for more videos of this bad boy.